Hello student, live Pathshala, welcome in live Pathshala. Okay, so today I am going to discuss about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is very important for plant or all living beings because we know that photosynthesis make their own food with the help of photosynthesis and they are producer. Okay, they are producer and all other organisms like herbivores they eat food and carnivores they depend on plant or other animals for food. It means all organisms depend on each other for food, so as a food chain. Okay, now first producer play an important role for the production of food, so photosynthesis is very important. Okay, now we are going to discuss photosynthesis, how photosynthesis occur. Okay, so first of all, you know the part of plant, okay, suppose that this is a part of plant, you know there are generally two part of the plant. Okay, two part of the plant like this, two part of the plant, and here is fruit and some flowers rises. Okay, some birds. Understood? So now we can write here, this is the root, okay, and the upper part of the soil is called shoot, and in shoot, okay, there are leaf, and here is flower and fruit. Okay, fruits, fruit and bud. Okay, bud. So this is the part of plant, root or shoot. Shoot include how many parts? Flower, leaf, fruits, buds. These are includes in shoot. So main there are two parts, shoot and root. Okay. Now the part of plant leaf. Leaf is a part of plant which help to prepare food. Okay. So in photosynthesis, leaf is a play an important role. So you can see. First of all, I make a leaf, okay, green leaf. Now, okay. Now here is sunlight. Okay, here is sunlight, and sunlight trapped. Okay, and this is the atmosphere. So carbon dioxide which is present in the atmosphere, they comes into the leaf. Okay, and also color of leaf is green due to presence of chlorophyll, and chlorophyll also help in the photosynthesis. So we can write one reaction here, carbon dioxide, and you know that water. Okay, water, H2O. Okay, H2O means water. Water absorb through the root hairs from the soil and transferred to the root to leaf with the help of xylem tissue. Okay, so now here is, we can write one equation, carbon dioxide plus water, arrow. Here we can write sunlight. Okay, sunlight, and write down also chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll, sunlight and chlorophyll, and to make C6H12O6. This is the formula of glucose and O2. Okay, oxygen released. Then we can balance. Okay, we have to need balance 6 CO2 and 6 carbon. Here is 6 carbon, so I will put 6 here, 6 carbon, and H212, and here put H212. Okay, So number of oxygen, 6 oxygen and 6 to the 12. Okay, and here 2 oxygen. Okay, 6 to the 12 and 6. So hydrogen, carbon and oxygen, they are equal in reactant side and product side. You will learn in chemical reaction what is what is the reactant and what is product. Okay, reactant, it means left side of the arrow, they react or combine together and to form product. This is the product, it means we can written right side of the arrow. Okay, so this is the equation and this is the definition of photosynthesis. So then what is photosynthesis? Okay, we can say that photosynthesis, okay, you can see here carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide and water react or combine together in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll which is present in the leaf to form glucose. To form glucose, we can write here glucose. This is the formula of glucose. Okay, and oxygen. Then to form glucose and release oxygen. This process is known as photosynthesis. Understood? Also we can say photosynthesis is the process. Okay, if you have learned this equation, then you have always remembered definition of photosynthesis. You will never forget it. Okay, so carbon dioxide photosynthesis is the process in which carbon dioxide and water combine together to form glucose and release oxygen in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This is the definition of photosynthesis. Okay, and photosynthesis example, all green plants are photosynthetic process occur. Okay, in all green plants photosynthesis occurs because green plant is a producer and prepare their own food with the help of sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water. Okay, and also we can say photosynthesis is the process in which plant make their own food with the help of photosynthesis in short term. Okay, but we can write here carbon dioxide and water, sunlight, chlorophyll, glucose and oxygen. Okay, so last I will repeat again. Photosynthesis is the process. Photo means light. Okay, photo means light. No, photosynthesis is the process in which carbon dioxide and water, you can see here, carbon dioxide and water combine together in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to form glucose and release oxygen. This process is known as photosynthesis. Okay, now I will discuss next topic in next day. Okay, so thank you.